Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you recovering deleted chats Snapchat. So this is a very easy tutorial. First open your Snapchat, go to your profile, and before doing this make sure that you're using the latest version of your Snapchat application or your Snapchat is up to date. So here you have to click your profile at the top left corner, and then you have to click this gear icon or settings. You have to tap this one, and then you have to scroll down here till you see my data. So click my data and you will see these options. Now what you're going to do here, since you want to recover deleted chats, so you have to focus on messages or chats only. As you can see, data available for download. You can include memories, chat media, shared stories, but we can skip to that and focus on chat history. Since you want to recover deleted chats, so deselect all and then tap this chats again. For the file, you can choose export HTML, which is recommended, or JSON files. So let's just toggle on this HTML and then tap next. Now you can set or you can adjust the time and date here and confirm your email address. And then now what you're going to do is you just have to wait. As you can see, Snapchat is creating a copy of your file. So this process can take a long time, possibly hours or days. So you just have to go to your email and check time to time if they have sent you the file. So that's how you basically recover deleted chats here on Snapchat. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.